And welcome back to the channel. This house is a mess. I need to cook a fresh pot of stew. By the way, you guys, I have won the battle against my neighbor's cat. So God be the glory. I won't tell you that the pooing stopped immediately after the oranges. It did not come back. The cat didn't come back for like 3-4 days after the orange. But someone left me a suggestion to put pepper, black pepper to be precise, on the grass. And when I went out to get already crushed ground pepper, I didn't find any, but I only found cayenne pepper. So I sprinkled that on the lawn, and I also went around with my shaker, and I just went around the grass. Because by the 3rd or 4th day after I put the oranges down, there was poo again on the lawn. So after I sprayed the pepper on, nothing else, and it's been well over a week. So I think the pepper is working. Someone also said to put vinegar down, but I don't know about the vinegar. I don't want it to kill off the grass, but I'll try. But the pepper is definitely working, so I'm going to keep doing that. And what I hear is if you are able to consistently keep it up for about 2 weeks, because cats are creatures of habit, they would stay away. I also got a pest repellent from SHEIN, but it's yet to come. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted, but the pepper is definitely working. So if I'm able to keep this up for 2 weeks to a month, I should be able to solve this problem, because this never used to happen. So someone has probably chased the cat away from their side and it's come over to mine. So the plan is to chase it away to somewhere else. But yeah, anyway, I forgot to welcome you guys to the channel. Hey, Jesus. Oh, you know how you forget the state where you left your house, and then you come back home thinking that you just continue from where you left off. But no, I can't, because my house is a mess, and I'm going to show you. Just look at that, man. I can't even begin. Ah, God, look at my house. Ah, Father Lord, it's a mess. It's an outright mess. More details about this later. You guys, I ordered this package from SHEIN because my boys and bread. You guys know how we buy bread already in this house. So I got this bread bin because I can already see their bread everywhere. It has some screws. I hope it's something I can build now. It's fairly easy to construct. These are all the parts and the manual. So I ordered a few things from SHEIN, so let's unbox it together. This is not one of our sponsored collaborations. I got some makeup from them. All of that is from their SHEGLAM. I'll open that one. I got this makeup cleaner. So it's like a sterilizer. So you wash your rings and your glasses in them, and it's supposed to just sterilize it and get them shiny again. It's powered by batteries, 2 AAA batteries, and it has some force cups there. I have one of these lamps. I use them to film my cooking videos, just to give it extra lighting in the kitchen. And I've ordered another one, but I think I made a mistake because I prefer the ones powered by batteries, but this one you have to charge this one. But yeah, it uses a C-type charger. It's bright, but I think I would have preferred I think it has a couple of settings as well. Yeah, you can choose the intensity of how bright you want it. Yeah, I'll never be using the yellow lights because I hate yellow lights in my life. I got a pair of shoes for Daniel and I really liked it, so I was looking for another set for Asha, but this one looks very small. I'm not sure I got the right size. It's a size though, but I don't know. This is what they look like. They look nice. This one, mothers, you need this one. This is something I've been meaning to get for my boys for God knows how long. I've been procrastinating, but you see, after I folded the last set of laundry that we did, in my head I'm like, this nonsense cannot continue. We have to put an end to this. So I've bought them this it's a stencil kind of to help you fold clothes, especially shirts. You can use it for trousers as well, but this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to, I have some clothes drying here, so I'm going to, I'll show you a demonstration of how you're supposed to use it. And apparently it's supposed to make your life easier. So I'm going to be putting my children to work. They're going to be folding their own shirts now. Let's do a quick demonstration. I told you guys, I'm serious about my retirement at 40, because chores, cooking, I must retire early, because this is a very good way to die quickly. If you take on all the work as a mom, and I'm raising boys, they must help their wives. So yeah, look at how we folded it. I mean, if I had done the button up before I folded it, it would look a lot neater. Look at that. Look at that. Like I told you, SHEIN is your plug. Use my code. You get 15% off whatever you buy. It doesn't matter if it's one item or two items. Use this code. You get discounts, okay? Early retirement, here I come. I also got some gloves, some black gloves, because I marinate with them. And sometimes I use them for my cooking videos. If I haven't done my nails or my nails are just looking one kind. I got some wig caps. On mornings when it's too cold to skip outside, I want to skip inside. I want to skip indoors. So I got this to skip with. It gives the illusion that you're skipping, but you have to keep jumping to skip. There was one that had a counter on it, so it shows you how many times you've done a set or you've made a round. So yeah, I got this one. I'm not sure why I chose this color, but this is the one I got. My Stanley Cup cover, it got broken. I don't know how I broke it, but I bought a replacement. I also got this pimple cover, because anytime I have breakouts, I think I have one on this side, yeah. Every time I have breakouts, before I sleep at night, I like to use one of these to cover it up. It just saves me from busting it, so it reduces the appearance of blackheads. Yeah, so I just put one of these on the pimple. I also got this tape to help out in the morning when I'm skipping, so that my boobs don't keep, I don't know if I'm explaining it well, but this is just a band that helps you secure your boobs down so that you're not giving yourself flabby boobs when you're trying to work out. So I'm moving on to the SHEGLAM section of things now. That's what it looks like inside. I also got some eyelash glue. I got a cream bronzer. Love it. I also got an eye serum just to take care of this dark circles under my eye. This is what it looks like. It smells nice too. This is my primer, new primer. The one I'm currently using is a YSL one and it's running out. And I was looking for one that is quite affordable. And this one had good reviews on SHEIN. So I bought it. This is what it looks like. So this goes on before my makeup. I also got some setting powder. Comes with a powder puff. I got the trio blush. You have to give it to SHEGLAM because it's their packaging. It's not here. Looks like something you eat. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is more my color when it comes to blush. I also got liquid blush. I got this one in the shade Devoted. Packaging. Ogadimma. I got concealer. And then last but not the least, I got setting powder. I haven't really used the setting powder since I was like in Nigeria, and I used to mooch off my elder sister's makeup. Because when she started using makeup first, naturally. And every time I would go and I forgotten the brand, but she used to get it from our neighbor. She used to buy this really expensive one from our neighbor then. This is what it looks like. And I will use her setting powder. She watches my video, by the way, so I know I'm reporting myself, but she's gonna see it, and what's gonna be is gonna be. So yes, I used to steal your setting powder, and I'm not sorry. This one doesn't come with a powder puff. I don't know if it's an oversight, but she's even the one messaging me now. It has the loose powder and the compact powder.
Anyway, that was everything. I just quickly put it all together, and the bread bin came along really easy. It was so easy to install. Anyway, I had to switch to my husband's screwdriver because it was a little more easy to handle. Well, the box came together really easy. I would highly recommend it if you buy bread like us. Yeah, it can take as much as possible. Anyway, as soon as the boys came, I just taught them how to fold trousers and shirts using this stencil, and it was so easy. You guys, I can guarantee you your life will be so much easier when you use this stencil. Anyway, that is it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.